Hey now, we're almost at the 4-week mark now, which means that if you've been following a workout video a day from the very beginning until now, you're starting to create an awesome habit. It should get to the point now where if you don't do something, you feel uncomfortable. That's your brain telling you that you're creating a new, nice habit, which is great. Congratulations. If you haven't quite gotten there yet, that's also normal. You might have to keep pushing through and I know this is hard to hear, trust the process. Keep on going. All right, we're gonna do a low intensity interval training workout. 45 seconds of movement, 15 seconds of rest for 5 rounds. So, are you ready to make some moves in minutes? The workout begins in 15 seconds. So feet shoulder width apart, slightly bent, and we're gonna draw circles with each leg, like so. Alternating in between. And 2, 1, slight squat, draw with our right leg, bring it back. Draw with our left leg, bring it back. They don't have to be perfect circles, we're just drawing curved lines. Remember to breathe. And to make it simpler, on the leg that isn't drawing, put the weight on that leg. Halfway there. Or 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're gonna get our feet back to shoulder width apart. Bring the right leg, keeping it straight, then bending the back leg like this. Now we're gonna do the same. Left leg straight, bend the right leg. And 1, go. Right leg nice and straight, bend the left leg, keeping the right leg straight. Left leg straight, bend the right leg, keeping that left leg straight. We're gonna alternate just like so. Remember to put the weight on the back leg, that'll make it easier. The sliding foot keeps you balanced. Oh, way past the halfway point. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're gonna do something called alternating standing carvers. So we're gonna bring it up and bring it down. Bring your left foot up, bring it down. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoulder width apart. We're gonna do these ones. Keeping your butt sitting out slightly, your back nice and straight. The more you flex, the more you'll feel it in your calves. Halfway there, feel free to put your hands anywhere you want. I'm putting it here because it helps me balance. And 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're gonna put our feet slightly apart from our shoulder width and we're gonna squat on one side, putting all the weight on this leg, bringing it back up and doing the same on our left leg. All the weight on our left leg, bring it back up. And right leg, slightly squat, bring it back up. Left leg, all that weight goes down, bring it back up. The opposite leg that isn't having any weight is just there to help you balance. Oh, way past the halfway point. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to bring our feet shoulder width apart. Bring the left leg, put it just behind your left your right leg and slightly bend it. Bring it back up together. Do the same on the other leg, slightly bend it and go. Left leg back behind your right leg. Bring it down, push it up. We're gonna do the same on the other side. Sometimes I get my left and right confused. I'm 33 years old and still get that messed up. And we're halfway there. Bring it back, squat. Bring it back, squat. Oh, hey, guess what? We're 10 more seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. We did it. That was slightly more difficult even for me. Explaining it was like but I hope you were able to follow through with it and the movements was easy to follow. If they weren't, feel free to leave in the comments behind, give me some heat. I'm okay with that because I'm always there for some self-improvement. If you feel like you can do more working out though, check out my other workout videos and continue on with your exercising. If not, you don't have to. You've already done your movement for today and that's great. Now go and conquer the world by not eating bad food. Hit that subscribe button for more workout videos and leave something on the comments below to say hello. All right, I'll catch you all next time. Bye-bye.